The General Data Protection Regulations, GDPR, came into effect from 25 May 2018. They strengthen data protection and apply to private and public organisations, including the Mental Welfare Commission. Given the nature of our work, the Commission has always been very careful in handling personal information, so there won't be any major changes. But GDPR has prompted us to make this film and highlight more detailed information on our website explaining how we manage personal data. We receive information from individuals and about individuals as part of our daily work. That might be when we're visiting people and they tell us about their experience in hospital or elsewhere. It might be when we're monitoring the use of the law by healthcare or social care professionals. We also receive personal information from people who call our advice line, explain their situation, and seek our advice. We gather information when we investigate individual cases where care and treatment have potentially fallen short, or simply when someone gives us their contact details when signing up to our mailing list. We sometimes also receive information about individuals from health boards or local authorities, such as when they are seeking our advice on compliance with the law. We use personal information as part of our everyday job, and we take lots of steps to keep that information safe. We regularly update our technology, and we ensure that only people who need to see personal data can do so. All of our staff receive compulsory training in data handling. We anonymise any personal information about patients or families given to us for our published reports. We only share your information externally if it will help us give you better advice or where there is an important and legally justifiable reason. For example, if we feel you or someone else is at risk. And your confidentiality is always a priority. You have the right to ask if we have information about you, what we do with it, and for a copy of it. We can only refuse your request where we have a legal reason to do so. For example, if it contains details of someone else, or if a care professional believes the information could cause harm to you or others. We have 1 month to provide you with a response from when you request your information and have provided proof of identity. There is additional information on our website, or you could contact our Data Protection Officer at inquiries@mwcscot.org.uk.